Another podcast is called On Purpose by Jay Shetty. This was like one of the early podcasts also, I think. It was like in 2020, so it was during COVID, and I listened to a lot of his podcasts. You'll learn a lot about health. I think it's the #1 health podcast in the world. So yeah, he interviews a lot of interesting guests. This guy, Jay Shetty, I think he was from England, but he chose to become a monk in India, which is a very big decision and a scary one. He has this famous concept called the monkey brain, which is our brain just constantly being interrupted, distracted, kind of similar to what Cal Newport says a lot about in his book, but he doesn't call it the monkey brain. In general, like sort of similar lifespan and Huberman Lab about knowing about your biology and the good habits, the bad habits. One thing that this podcast stands out from others is he talks more about relationships and how to get healthy, good relationships, kind of spiritual, kind of woo sometimes, but it was insightful because I come from a